Good morning, students. Today we will study class 7, chapter 14. Our previous class we have completed up to question number 12. Now the question number 13 is in the given figure AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC and AC is a diagonal if angle BAC equals to 35 degree and angle CAD equals to 40 degree. And so angle ACB equals to x degree and angle ACD equals to y degree. Find the value of x and y. This is your figure of question number 13. The figure of question number 13 is it is A, B, C and D. This is given here x degree and this is given here y degree. After that this is 35 and this is your 40 degree. So and what is given in this figure, AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC and AC is a diagonal. Okay, so first of all you have to write a given in this question is AB parallel to DC is given to you and AD parallel to BC, this is also given. After that angle BAC equals to 35 degree. BAC is your 35 degree and angle CAD equals to 40 degree. So angle BAC equals to y equals to 35 degree, it is given. You can see y degree. After that it is your alternate angles when AB parallel to DC. Okay, BAC equals to y equals to 35 degree because it is your alternate angle when AB parallel to DC. Same you have to do angle CAD equals to x equals to 40 degree because alternate angles when AD parallel to BC. Okay, alternate angles when AD parallel to BC. After that so x equals to 40 degree and y equals to 35 degree. This is your answer. You have to find the value of x and y. Y equals to 35 degree and x equals to 40 degrees. This is your answer of question number 13. After that, now question number 14. Question number 14 is question number 14. Question number 14 is in the given figure AB parallel to CD and CA has been produced to E so that B angle BAE equals to 125 degree. This is the figure of question number 14. It is given here A, B, C and D. This is your Z degree. This is your Y degree. This is your X. This is also X. And it is your 125 degree. And it is expanded to E. After that, in this question, in the given figure AB parallel to CD and CA has been produced to E. AB parallel to CD. You can see this AB is parallel to CD and CA is produced till E. So that angle BAE equals to 125 degree, angle BAC equals to x degree, ABD x degree, angle BDC y degree and angle ACD z degree. Find the value of x, y, z. In this question we have to find the value of x, y, z. So first of all write here given. What is given in this question? AB parallel to CD is given and angle BAE equals to 125 degree. It is also given. After that angle CAB plus angle BAE equals to 180 degree. You know angle CAB, where is your angle? CAB, and angle BAE equals to 180 degree. CAB, it is your 125 degree plus x degree equals to 180 degree, right? After that, x equals to 180 minus 125, 180 minus 125, so x equals to 55 degree. Now x plus z equals to 180 degree. Why? Because consecutive, I am writing here consecutive interior consecutive interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. On the same side of transversal are supplementary. So z equals to 180 degree minus x degree equals to 180 minus 55 equals to 125 degree. So z is your 125 degree. Now y plus x equals to 180 degree. Same you have to write here, consecutive interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Okay, you have to write this one, consecutive interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplement. Now your y equals to 180 minus x equals to 180 minus 55 equals to 125 degree. Okay, y equals to, so y we have find 125 degree, z we have find 125 degree, x is your 55 degree. So we have to, in this question we have to find x, y, z. So x equals to 55 degree, y equals to 125 degree, and z equals to 125 degree. This is your answer. We have to find in this question the value of x, y, z. Okay, question number 14 complete. Now let us see question number 15. Question number 15 is, in each of the given figure, two lines L and M are cut by transversal T. Find whether L parallel to M. We have to find the line L parallel to M. Question number 15, part first. Question number 15, first part. This is your figure. It is your transversal T. This is L, this is M, and it is given here 130 degree, and it is your 40 degree. What you have to find whether L parallel to M in each case. So first part, angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree. You can write, means 130 and 140 degree equals to 180 degree. So angle 1 is your 130 degree plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. So angle 2 equals to 180 minus 130. Okay, angle 2 equals to 50 degree, right? Angle 2 equals to 50 degree, and it is given here parallel and transversal. 40 degree equals to angle 3. So L is not parallel to M. Okay, L is not parallel to M. If angle 2 and angle 3 are equal, then it is parallel to, then it will be parallel to L. Then L will be parallel to M. Same you have to do in second and third part. I am mentioning here homework. Homework is your question 15, part first and second. You have to do. Okay. Your chapter 14 has been completed. Now, thank you and have a nice day.